Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Kuldeep here, and today we are going to learn about Playwright Test Generator. As the part of today's session, we will see what is the test generator and how it is helpful in automation. So let's start. So friends, this is the official website of the Playwright, and they have provided some documentation around test generator. Basically, Playwright comes with an ability to generate the test out of the box, and it actually opens two windows. So first window where you will interact with your application, and second window that will be for the Playwright inspector where you can record your test. And to achieve this, they have provided a command here. Okay, so this is the command. With help of this command, we can generate the tests. Okay, I have just copied it here. Let's try to understand what is the meaning of different parameters here. Maven stands for the Maven, so which means you must have the Maven on your system to run this command. E stands for the environment variable, and this is basically a main class which is available in this com.microsoft.playwright.cli package. Okay, and here we need to provide the application URL on which we want to generate our test. Okay, that will be actually opened with help of this codegen argument. I will use this URL to record some test. Right, we will change the URL. Okay, this is my final URL. Now I will be recording my test on this demo.nopcommerce.com. Okay, after that we need to go to the path of the Playwright project. Okay, so this is my Playwright project. Simply go to this properties. Okay, and this is the location of my project. Need to go to here, type the CMD. Okay, and after that we need to copy this command and paste it here. Let's hit the enter. So basically what will happen now, there will be two windows open. So first will be the window for the web application where we will be recording our test, and second window will be for the Playwright inspector. Okay, let me minimize this one. Okay, this as well. Okay, so here you can notice it has opened the two window. Okay, so first is the window for the application and second is window for the Playwright inspector. And now we can record the test with help of this Playwright inspector. So let's do one thing. Okay, so let me just hit on this login button and try to log in into this application. Let me enter some email and password. So let me type the @gmail.com. Okay, and let's give some password like 12345, and after that let's hit on this login button. Okay, these details are not correct, that's why I am getting this error message. Okay, but we don't need to bother about it as of now. You can notice at the same time we are able to see some code generated by Playwright inspector, and here you can see they are providing the various options like JavaScript, Playwright Test, Python, Playwright Asynchronous, and C#. So basically you can generate the code in any of these languages. Let me select the C#. So now the code gets converted into the C# language. But as we are dealing with the Java, so let's stick with Java only. So I will select this Java. Now you can copy the complete code from here. Okay, so let me copy, and before copying that, let's stop the recording. Okay, and after that I can copy this code. Right, now let me open this text pad, open a new. So basically this is the code which I get from the Playwright inspector. It has created a class example. So let's utilize the same code as it is. Okay, so let me copy it, create one class like example, .java. Okay, and after that you can simply paste the code which we have copied from there. Okay, so this is the code which actually we got from Playwright inspector. Okay, and I've just simply pasted it out here, right? You don't need to do anything. You can simply execute this code. Okay, and if you have noticed, like, they are providing all the details, like they are starting the Playwright server. After that they are creating a browser context, then they are creating a new page. Okay, you can simply right click and run this as a Java application. Okay, so let's see like what is happening here. Open the URL, click on this login button and enter the email and the password. So this is the way we can generate our test, okay, in the various languages, and we can leverage these capabilities for doing the automation as well. Okay, so guys, that's it for today's session. I hope it is helpful, and you can utilize the concept of test generator to generate some test cases very quickly. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.